Upon first glance, everyone knows what this is. It's gold. It's one of the most well known metals in the world. People buy it left and right in order to impress other people. People travel to California for the gold rush because you got to get your hands on more gold. And the reason why gold's important is because it always has value. I have right here the periodic symbol for gold. A lot of these numbers I'm sure mean something. Like this is the atomic number, probably the atomic mass up here. Guessing this is the electron orbitals, and then I have no idea what these five are. But at the end of the day, gold never changes. Like every other element, it never changes. That's the great thing about science, and the greatest thing about chemistry is that if you experiment, you can with 100% certainty claim that something is true or false. And in this, gold is this and will always be this. And until the rest of time, gold will be this. So you would assume that the price would be somewhat stable. Well, here's NUGT. It looks like people have made tons of money on this. What is explaining this? Why does this need to exist? Did anyone like watch the market yesterday and see NUGT go from like 56 to 72 and then all the way back down to 60? Is it because gold changed, or is it because we changed our view of gold? The discussion about gold is overflowing. It looks like since February 2nd, I'm going to say, people like just realized it was a thing, and discussion about it almost quadrupled since then on StockTwits. I have no idea if people forgot gold existed because it's been around for a while. But all I have to say is when you invest in a company, you're usually investing in some sort of fundamentals. But usually the stock price reflects the current and future expected value of the company's returns and its ability to provide value to shareholders. NUGT is obviously an ETF, but it's interesting to see that the underlying asset is the epitome of a zero variance asset. It never changes. The value is purely based on what people feel. So all I have to say is be careful with things like this, because one day someone's going to wake up and they're going to have 3 million shares and they're going to want to dump it, and that's going to suck. Short entry for today, but I think it's one that you could take home and share with your family at the dinner time conversation. Bye, guys.